Oops, we accidentally got interrupted in the last video clip. I guess there's a 10-minute limit or something like that. Okay, let's finish up this problem here. So we have negative 5 over 21 plus, now we're going to add this third fraction. Okay, so let's bring that down. So let's put plus 7 over 5. All right, so again, we need a common denominator here. 5 does not go evenly into 21, so let's maybe do 21 times 5. Be a little bit of a bigger number, but that's totally fine. Let's bring it over here. Okay, so 21 times 5, that gives us 105. So let's make a common denominator of 105 plus, same thing over here, let's create 105 denominators. And then we could say 21 times 5 gave us this 105, so we multiply our numerator by 5 also. So negative 5 times 5, we get negative 25. All right, same thing over here. 5 times 21 gives us 105. So take that numerator of 7 and multiply by 21 as well. Okay, so you have to think about that a little bit. That's going to give us 147. Okay. So kind of some larger numbers up top here, but that's fine. Now we can add these together because we have a common denominator. So we know it's going to be something over 105. We are doing negative 25 plus 147. Can you do that mental math? That's going to give us a positive 122. 122 over 105. Cannot simplify that anymore. So that is our final answer. I'm going to let you guys finish up the rest of these fractions. Let's solve one linear equation together. If you're confident with your linear equations, then you do not have to do this. You can stop it right there and finish it yourself, but we will do one together here. All right, so if I want to solve this for our variable r, I'm going to simplify each side first as much as I can. This side cannot be simplified, so let's bring down negative 4 plus r equals, I can simplify this side. I can distribute negative 4 to both of those terms. Negative 4 times 1 gives me negative 4. And negative 4 times negative 7r gives me a positive 28r. All right, so far so good. Let's continue to simplify. I could actually do this in 2 steps. I can add this, add a positive 4 to both sides. Well, we'll break it up in case anyone gets lost. All right, adding 4 to both sides goes away over here. Negative 4 plus 4 is 0, so those cancel out. So I am left with r equals 28r. Okay. I also want to get my r's together, so I've got them on both sides of the equal sign. So we want to subtract this r from both sides. R minus r gives me 0, so I have 0 on this side, equals 28r minus 1r is 27r. My goal is to isolate my variable, so let's get r all by itself. So we would divide both sides by 27 here. Get rid of that 27, also divide 0 by 27. This is where I have a lot of students freak out. They have an issue with 0. You can totally have 0 as an answer. That is totally fine. Legitimate answer. 0 divided by 27 is, in fact, 0. And of course, you can switch that if you want, make that r equals 0. Very good. I think some kids get confused because if you have 0 in the denominator, you cannot do that. That would be a no solution situation. All right, very good.